Hello everybody. Today we're going to talk about how to collect emails via Tidio chat widget. So, in the My Flows list of your flow section, collect the Create from Scratch button in the upper right corner and select a trigger of your choice. Add the action called Ask a Question. You can write the question to the visitor, requesting their email address in this node. Remember to select validation to email so that the email address can be saved in your contact list. The next important node to add would be subscribe for mailing, which will automatically mark your new contact as a subscriber. Now the flow can end with a message node, which you can thank your new subscriber for leaving their contact details. Of course, you can always add more nodes, for example, more questions asking for different types of details or more messages. This way, the flow can collect a variety of information for you while saving your time. That's it. Thanks for watching.